Here's my AI prompt system that I'm using in ChatGPT to scale to 9 figures and beyond. If you're working in any company, there's always challenges that come up. How you solve them is going to determine how successful you are. Sometimes we come across a roadblock and we can't fix it. We don't know how to solve it. And we don't necessarily want to tell anybody we don't want to solve it. So this is the way to use ChatGPT as one of your best friends and as a soundboard for ideas. First thing you're going to do is you're going to pick one problem today that you're experiencing that you haven't been able to solve. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to say what the outcome is that you want to achieve. Third step, you're going to ask it, come up with 10, 20, 30 other ways to solve this adversity you're facing in your business. And all of a sudden you have the answer, or you have a new assumption you can start to implement in your business. But the key here is to identify where is there a new idea. So here's the prompt that I'm using. I said I have a team of 10 people. We made 14 million last year in sales, and I expected if I hired 4 more people, that could support the growth of an additional $2 million based on an average revenue per person that I calculated previously. Now I'm going to say the objective was not hit. I made assumptions that teams would equate to more revenue. Based on this outcome and what I want to achieve, assumptions be made, and alternative courses of action could be taken to achieve this revenue target. List 10 possible solutions. And now we're going to wait for it. It's a pretty brief explanation. I could go a lot deeper and spend a lot more time and prompt it a little bit better, but it's going to come back with some really good stuff. So it's going to focus on what are things that, we haven't thought of. But the key here is to identify where is there a new idea? Where is there an evolution of an idea? And sometimes there's nothing, but sometimes there's this unique thing that you discover, and it's like that light bulb goes off, and all of a sudden you have the answer, or you have a new assumption you can start to make and start to implement in your business. And I can also ask it for, hey, you talk about optimizing the sales process. What exactly do you mean? So you can have a conversation with it. And again, it's like a meeting with somebody who's not there to judge you. And it's a really simple process that can generate some massive wins for you in value. So we have optimize the sales process. We have invest in training and development. So there's a lot of different things it's coming up with. Now, the other thing you can do is say that these were good, but I need you to be more specific. Give me your 3 top solutions. Consider we're a digital marketing focused on health. So you can just feed it a little bit more content that's going to be contextual to your business and relevant to your situation. And the more specific you get with this, the more detailed answers you get back from ChatGPT. And all of a sudden you see there's paragraphs building here. So the next thing you can do is, if you like any of these ideas, and I haven't actually analyzed these, but I'm just going to say, I want to forge strategic partnership collaborations. So what I'm going to say now is I like number 3, please create a 12-month plan to follow through on this. Should be detailed by quarter and broken down into key results. You can just literally ask it right now, and it's going to pop out most likely a very well-detailed plan. And as you can see, you can start with this as your base, but ultimately you've got your quarterly plans now, and it's going to give you some key results that you can work with your team on, and key results being something you can actually measure and that's in your control. But there you go. You've got a 12-month plan. And you can even ask it, get more specific. And you can build profiles with these different ChatGPT prompts that allow you to just put that in every time you want to develop a new plan. And you can rotate this ChatGPT prompt with other teams if you want to continue to help them evolve their thinking and their planning if they're not great strategizers. My name is Joey Valancourt from Partner Up Profits. And if this video was interesting to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button for more updates on mindset, business, and strategies, and everything else in between.